Hey guys, working on this door. This hinge up here has no bolts in it. Try to pop this baby off there and get some bolts in there where our door's not floppy. Door off, it's on the ground. Got some bad news, real bad news. Don't even know what it is. Got this piece, all the bolts are broke off in it. It actually goes up behind there. I take this kick panel off. Earlier, luckily, it fell down out of this hole and I was able to get it out of there. Got it soaking. We're gonna try this before we go weld anything on. Got these sticking out the back, so I think we can get them out probably pretty easy. We're just gonna throw a little heat on there and see what happens with it. Alright guys, we're heading town. I need 3 bolts for that little adapter. I got 9 million bolts in there, I can't find them, so think about just throw everything away. So that's exciting. So we're gonna take a little trip, go grab some bolts, and we'll be back at you. Get back at this. Just got home, got our piece. Got some lock washers. Got to get this piece finagled back behind here, and there's no spot besides up in this kick panel, so I'm going to try to run some baling wire or a zip tie or something of the nature to pull it up there and get a couple bolts in it till we can get our hinge back on there. We're going to see how it goes. There, it's got a little right here, there's like a tab inside of there. Got to take these bolts out and just hold this one up with it. I get a little square end Allen. I set one of these holes and started pushing it that way, and it finally slid in there, but they got a little saddle that go in, and she's in now, so we're about to wrap this thing up. All right, I got the bracket on, bolts are in. I'm just going to line this thing up with this old glue line that's in there the best I can, and hopefully that comes out money. If not, we can maybe adjust it by moving the door around a little bit, but we'll see where we end up at. All right, got the door on, just kind of held it up with the jack and pulled it over to these hinges. I'm gonna go back and place kind of where this mark is, if you can see it where it was previously, and snug these things up and see how close we get. Back one's loose, I got these ones snugged up. I'm gonna pull these wires in here and see how close we are to fitting on it. If it's not good, or if we need to move it, we can move it around, I believe. Hey guys, we're finished up. Got the door on. I didn't even cut the wires out. I put them back in proper and such. And we even have a freaking door light. Kind of crazy. And we're shutting good. Just got through oiling everything up. Doesn't get no better than that.